Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we explore the stories and strategies behind successful businesses and entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to talk about Amadeo Giannini, a pioneering banker who revolutionized the way people access financial services. Amadeo Giannini was born in 1870 in San Jose, California, to Italian immigrant parents. His early life was marked by hardship and struggle, but he went on to become one of the most influential bankers of his time. Giannini's story is a testament to the power of innovation and community-focused leadership. Giannini's entry into banking was accidental. After making a fortune in the produce business, he found himself with a significant amount of capital and decided to invest it in a bank. However, he soon realized that the traditional banking model was not serving the needs of the common people, particularly immigrants and small business owners. This realization sparked an idea that would change the face of banking forever. In 1904, Giannini founded the Bank of Italy, which later became the Bank of America. His vision was to create a bank that would serve the needs of everyone, regardless of their background or financial situation. He believed that by providing access to financial services, he could empower people to improve their lives and contribute to the growth of their communities. One of Giannini's most significant innovations was the introduction of branch banking. At the time, banks were typically single-location institutions that served only the wealthy and well-connected. Giannini, however, saw an opportunity to expand banking services to more people by opening multiple branches in different locations. This approach allowed him to reach a broader audience and provide financial services to those who needed them most. Giannini's commitment to community-focused banking was evident in his response to the 1906 San Francisco earthquake. When the disaster struck, Giannini quickly realized that many of his customers had lost their homes and businesses. Without hesitation, he began providing emergency loans to help them rebuild. This swift action not only helped in the immediate recovery efforts, but also cemented the bank's reputation as a trusted and caring institution. Another example of Giannini's innovative approach to banking was his introduction of the character loan. Unlike traditional banks that relied solely on collateral to determine creditworthiness, Giannini believed that a person's character and reputation were just as important. He would often meet with potential borrowers in person, assessing their integrity and work ethic before making a lending decision. This approach allowed him to provide loans to people who might not have qualified under traditional banking standards. Giannini's legacy extends far beyond his own bank. His innovative approaches to banking have inspired generations of entrepreneurs and financial leaders. Today, we see echoes of his community-focused approach in microfinance programs around the world. Organizations like the Grameen Bank, founded by Muhammad Yunus, provide small loans to entrepreneurs in developing countries, empowering them to start or grow their businesses. So, how can you apply the lessons from Amadeo Giannini's story to your own business ventures or career? First, understand your community or market deeply. Recognize the unmet needs and tailor your services or products accordingly. Second, be innovative in how you deliver value, whether through new technologies, partnerships, or service models. And third, prioritize building trust and long-term relationships with your customers or clients. One of the challenges you might face is balancing innovation with risk management, especially when serving underserved markets. A strategy for success involves thorough market research, flexible product design, and a commitment to customer education and support. Tools like financial modeling, market analysis software, and community engagement platforms can also be invaluable in helping you navigate these challenges. In conclusion, Amadeo Giannini's legacy teaches us the power of innovative banking and financial inclusion. His story shows that by understanding and serving the needs of our communities, we can build not just successful businesses, but also stronger, more resilient economies. As you consider your next move in the world of business, remember Giannini's pioneering spirit and his belief in the potential of every individual to contribute to economic growth. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every great business starts with action. Make your next move count.